When you lose your hair, prematurely, when you lose your hair and you're in your 30s and you're losing your hair, it's a blow to your confidence. It just is. Meredith and I, we used to pick and choose restaurants, which ones we could go to based on whether I could wear the hat into the restaurant.
How many times were we out
Yeah.
and our choices were limited by what places allowed hats in the dining room?
I don't mind you saying this because I know I'm not alone, and I know
Right.
that there are so many other guys that can relate to this and they get it. I see you, I know, I see you wearing your hats. I see you wearing your hat. I know what's going on in your head. Last time we talked, it was the day of my procedure, and you get little butterflies, right? It was over so quickly, the procedure. One of the great things about PAI Medical Virginia is that it's not just a, one and done situation. You just don't go in and get your procedure and then you're over, because this is an entire treatment plan that includes post-procedure maintenance. The next day, the kind of tender loving care that you get here at PAI Medical Virginia is beyond comparison. Spoiler alert, no more bald head. Do you believe in miracles? Do you believe in miracles? This is beyond my wildest expectations. So I do regular cable news appearances. When I walked into the hair and makeup room, they were blown away. Every single time I'm on TV now, people on social media, people in my office, all they talk about is my hair and how great my hair looked, which, is kind of makes me feel good. My oldest brother said that I look 20 years younger than I am right now. That is a great thing to hear, because you want to sort of show off in front of your brothers. It was so cool to have my kid reach over, and actually he ended up putting his fingers through my hair, and he said, "My gosh, Daddy, it is amazing how you've got hair there." I'm beyond younger now. It's amazing. It seems silly, but as soon as my hair started growing in like this, that confidence went right back. I felt like I was in my 20s again, because I looked like I was in my 20s again. My hair was back and my confidence was back. I felt like as soon as I had my hair growing back, I could pretty much do anything with my life. I chose the multi-unit hair grafting procedure because that's what PAI specializes in. It's their trademark and it's their own. Nobody else does it. Seriously, this is a cut above any kind of hair restoration solution that's out there. Let me cut to the chase. I've done the hard work for you. This is what you get from PAI Medical Virginia. No brainer. It's the only choice. Do what I did. Grow your hair back with PAI Medical Virginia.